All right, folks, welcome back to Cheatham Street Relics. If I got anybody that watches that likes railroad and trains, I'll show you this. This is the 9/11 First Responders Memorial train engine here. See if I can get a little video of it for you guys. See up there on top, it says honoring our first responders. CSX, pride in service, and you got the 9/11 right there below the window. And if you can see on the front of the engine there, it says spirit of our first responders. Get up there and get a little closer to that. That is very, very cool. CSX, 9/11, honoring our first responders. Train engine, very cool. Look at the number on the engine, it's 9/11. All right, guys, I was going to show you that. Also has the medical, police, and fire shield on there as well. Very cool. I want to show you guys that. It's sitting here in the train yard in Bruceton, Tennessee. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.